We will see coordinate geometry and we will try to solve the problems asked in 2022. The first question in front of you is the point A and B with coordinate phi 2 and 10 minus 1 respectively. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. So we have to find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB, right? Now, if you observe over here, what we can do, perpendicular bisector of AB. So we have to first find the midpoint of AB, right? So midpoint, we will use the midpoint formula. I will simply say here that midpoint of AB is now midpoint of AB. You know how we calculate midpoint. So the x coordinate will be 5 plus 10 divided by 2, comma 2 minus 1. So this will be equal to 5 plus 10, 15, 15 divided by 2, minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the midpoint of AB. Then slope of AB. Slope of AB is your minus 1 minus 2 divided by 10 minus 5. The formula you use is y2 minus y1 upon x2. So this gives you minus 3 divided by 5. Okay. The slope of AB we got. So therefore, slope of perpendicular to AB. Slope of perpendicular to AB means I will say that slope of perpendicular. This slope can also be written as gradient. So here gradient, better I write gradient. Gradient of perpendicular. It is a negative of reciprocal of the slope of AB. So that is y divided by 3. So now I want equation of AB. The equation of AB will be y minus the y coordinate of any of the point I can choose. So I choose point A. Now point A, if you see, what is point A over here? Point A is 5 comma 2. So 5 comma 2, point A is 5 comma 2. So it is y minus 2 is equals to m. M is 5 divided by 3 times x minus 5. 3 will come on this side. So it will be 3y minus 6 is equals to 5x minus 25. So this will give you 5x minus 3y is equals to minus 6 plus 25. So minus 6 plus 25 is what? It's 19. Then find the equation of circle with center A which passes through B. Now next I have to find equation of circle with center A. Okay. And it is passing through B. So I can find radius easily. Here let me draw the circle. I will draw a circle over here with point A as the center. Center is 5 comma 2. And there is a point B. Now the coordinate of point B is 10 comma minus 1. So 10 comma minus 1, let us say it will disappear here. 10 comma minus 1. 10 comma minus 1. Okay. 10 comma minus 1. So here radius, we use distance formula x2 minus x1, that is 2 plus 1, y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is 5 minus 10 the whole square. Okay, so this will give you, it's 3 square plus 5 square and the square root of that. So it's a root of 34. This is radius. Now equation of circle is what? It is x minus x coordinate of the circle, x minus 5 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equals to r square. So root 34 square is what? 34. X minus 5 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equals to root 34 square, which is 34. This is your equation. Okay, next question. Question number 2. You have nothing on this particular page? Yeah. So straightforward, we move to question number 2. Now here, question number 2 we have. This is our question number 2. Question. Yeah. So question number 2. The diagram shows a curve which has maximum point at 8, 12 and the minimum point at 8, 0. The curve is the result of applying the combination of two transformations to the circle. The first transformation applied is 7, minus 3. The second transformation applied is a stretch in y direction. Take the scale factor for the stretch. Okay. You have to identify what is the scale factor for the stretch. Right. So what will be your answer? What do you think will be the scale factor here? Yes, any clue? What will be the scale factor? Let us discuss. Fine. So here, as you can see that now it is not a perfect circle, right? It's a horizontal width. If you see, it is of 2 unit, right? It's a vertical stretch should be of 2 unit only when it is a circle. Now right now you can see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that 2 will become 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So get the scale factor of a stretch. So I will simply say that it is 3. Okay. So here my answer will be get the scale factor for the stretch. So scale factor three in y direction. Okay, scale factor of 3 in y direction. Then next. State the radius of original circle. So as the diameter you can see, diameter is of 4 unit. So radius of the original circle will be of 2 unit. So state the radius of original circle. Here I will say radius of original. State the radius of original circle. So radius of original circle is 2. Okay, for 1 mark only, so one statement is enough. Next, state the coordinate of the center of the circle after the translation has been completed, but before the stretch is applied. So again, look at the diagram. Translation is completed. Okay, so it is moved to the desired position where we are seeing it. Now, this must be your center, right? So what is its coordinate? It's 8, 6. So 8, 8, it is stretched in vertical direction. No, it is stretched in vertical direction. So initially it should be as it is touching, so initially it will be a circle like this before we apply the stretch, right? It is like this, right? Okay, so this is my center. What is its coordinate? 8, 2. So here 8, 2 will be your answer. So let's go to that question. State the coordinate of the center of the circle after the translation has been completed, but before the stretch is applied. So the coordinate will be 8, 2. Okay. I state the coordinate of the center of the original circle. So in original circle, we seen that it is translated by 7 unit. Okay. Again, if we see that diagram, we see that question on diagram. So see the question. The first translation is applied is the translation of 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3. So we reverse it. Okay. So we go 7 unit left and 3 unit up. 7 unit left will bring me to 1 and 3 unit up will move me from 2 to 5. So 1, 5 will be your result. So here state the radius of original circle. So what we say that it's 1, 5. State the center of original circle 1, 5. It's 1, 5. Now the next problem, question number 3. Here question number 3 is the coordinate of point A, B and C are given where P is the constant. Given that AC and BC are equal in length, find the value of the fraction P. Okay. So we have to find the value of P. It is given that AB is equals to BC. So AB and BC are equal. So better we equate the distance of AB and BC. So here I have given that AC and BC are equal. So you have given that AC is equals to BC. So this implies that AC square will be equal to BC square. So therefore, AC square is, applying the distance formula, AC square is 2p minus 5, 2p minus 5 the whole square plus p plus 2 the whole square plus p plus 2 the whole square will be equal to, this is equal to BC square. So what is BC? BC is 2p minus 10, 2p minus 10 the whole square plus p minus 3 the whole. Okay, so let us simplify. It is 4p square minus 20p plus 25 plus p square plus 4p plus 4 is equals to 4p square minus 40p plus 100 plus p square minus 6p plus 9. Okay, now this 4p square, okay, same terms we cancel from both the sides. This 4p square will cancel with 4p square, plus p square will cancel with plus p square. So minus 20p square here and minus 40p square here. So I will bring all the p's on one side. So it is minus 20p plus 4p plus 40p plus 6p is equal to all number on other side. So it is 100 plus 9 minus 25 minus 4. Therefore, minus 20 plus 40, that will give me plus 20 and plus 10. So it will be 30p. 30 times p is equals to, now 100 plus 9. So it's 100 plus 9 minus 5 minus 4. I'll get 80. So the value of p we get is 80 divided by 30, which is 8 divided by 3. In simple form, it's 8 by 3. The value of p is 8 divided by 3. Next part of the question is now B part. It is now given, instead of AC, it is now given that instead that AC is perpendicular to BC and that P is an integer. Find the value of P. Now AC is perpendicular to BC is given. So AC is perpendicular to BC. That means the product of the slope of AC and BC will be equal to minus 1. Right? So slope of AC, I will say that slope of AC, that is m of AC, gradient or slope, m of AC times m of BC, they are perpendicular, is equals to minus 1. Now slope of AC, let us see again the coordinate of AB. Okay, I will write here. The coordinate of A, the problem we have given. So 5 comma minus 2, 5 comma minus 2. The coordinate of B is 10 comma 3 and the coordinate of C is 2p comma p. Okay. So it is now given that instead that AC is perpendicular to BC and P is an integer. Okay. So gradient of AC in times gradient of BC is minus 1. So therefore gradient of AC is what? It is P plus 2 divided by 2p minus 5 times gradient of BC. Gradient of BC is what? P minus 3 divided by 2p minus 10. And this is given equal to minus. So here p plus 2 into p minus 3 is what? P square minus 3p plus 2p minus 6 is equals to minus 1 times 2p minus 5 into 2p minus 10. Okay. So we calculate it is negative 4p square minus 20p minus 10p plus 50. On this side it is p square minus p minus 6. And on this side, on the right side, it is minus 4p square. This is minus 30 and minus minus, it is plus 30, plus 30p, and then minus 50. So what we get? We get a quadratic equation. Okay. And we have to simplify that quadratic equation. So here it will be, therefore it is 5 times p square minus 31 times p plus 44 equal to 0. So this gives you the value of p. Okay, let us put these values in the calculator. So 5 is 31 and 44. I'll get the two values for p. One is 4 and other is 11 divided by 5. Now the question once again. It is now given that AC is perpendicular to BC and that P is an integer. So finally I will accept P as 4. Okay, why? Because since P is an integer. Okay. So the value of P we will get 4. Okay, next part of the problem, find the equation of the circle which passes through ABC, giving your answers in the form of x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant. So here, this is the second part and this is first part of the p. So the value of p we assume here is 4. Okay. So once again I will write the 3 points. It's difficult for me to handle this. Okay. So the value of a, we already know that the value of a is 5 comma minus 2. The value of b is 10 comma 3. And now the value of c, which is 2p comma p, it will become 8 comma 4. Okay. Now the circle is passing through these 3 points. Okay. So when you know that the circle is passing through these 3 points, then what you will do? Yes, any clue what we can do here? Okay, we will do one thing. What we do? We first draw a circle with the given condition. Okay, just to understand. Okay, we draw a circle. Now, here in the A part, what is given in the A part? Is given in the A part that AC is perpendicular to BC. Okay, now I have to draw AC perpendicular to BC. So suppose somewhere here I will take a point A, AC. This is AC. Now AC is perpendicular to BC. So suppose I have B point somewhere here. AC is perpendicular to BC, something like this, right? So here what angle we are getting? We are getting 90 degree. As we are getting 90 degree, so this AB must be a diameter, right? So your AB will be a diameter. As AB is diameter, so here as I can say that as AC perpendicular to BC. Okay, therefore AB is diameter, because diameter subtends 90 degree on the circle. Now AB is your diameter, so therefore easily you can find out length of AB. You can find midpoint of AB. So first I will find midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB will give me center. So midpoint of AB is 10 plus 5, 15 by 2, comma 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 1 divided by 2. So this is my midpoint of AB. Now I got the midpoint of AB, and if I calculate distance AB, so this distance AB will be square root of, now AB 10 minus 5, it's a 5 square, plus 3 plus 2, 5 square. So square root of 50 AB is square root of 50, or I will say that 5 root 2. Okay, this is my AB. So what is radius R? Then in that case radius R is half of this. So radius R is 5 root 2 divided by 2. Okay, so therefore equation of circle will be x minus 15 divided by 2 the whole square plus y minus half the whole square is equal to, this is equals to 5 root 2 divided by 2 the whole square, radius square. Okay. So this is our equation. Now we will simplify this. So here we will solve this part. So here it will be x square minus 15 times x plus 225 divided by 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 25 to the 50 divided by 4. Okay, so this will give me what I can do. I can multiply everything by 4, but before that let us first simplify this numeric part. Okay, so your equation will be x square plus we also look the format in which we want the equation. So it is x square plus y square, where then x term is what? It's minus 15x, then minus 2y, then I have 225 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 50 divided by 4. Okay, So this is x square plus y square minus 15x minus 2y. When I do this calculation, 225 plus 1 minus 50. So 225 plus 150. We get 176, and that 176 divided by 4 will give me 44. So here it is plus 44. Okay. So this is our answer. Here, if we see the question once again, we have to write our answer in the form of x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is what we have done. Right. So this is 4-mark question. Okay, which easily you can score. Now the equation of circle is given x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y minus 26 is 0. Find the coordinate of the center of the circle and the radius. Hence, find the coordinate of lowest point on the circle. Question is for 4 marks. Now think what we can do here. Let us start. So we will write this equation first, which is x square plus, now I will rearrange and write. So I will write all external together. So x square plus 6x plus y square minus 2y and then minus 26 is equals to 0. So these two terms I will make a perfect square. So for that it will be x square plus 6x. I will add the square of half of this middle term. So square of 3, which is 9. I will add 9, subtract 9. Similarly here y square minus 2y. Therefore I will add 1, subtract 1, and then minus 26 is already there. Okay. So these three terms and these three terms, they are no perfect squares. So here I will write this as x plus 3. I will write x plus 3 the whole square plus, here I will write y minus 1 the whole square, and then this minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10, and minus 10 and minus 26 is minus 30. So this is minus 36, and this whole is equals to 0. Okay. So it is x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equals to 36, which is 6 square. So therefore I have center as minus 3 comma 1, because it is the general equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equals to r square. This is my center, and radius is 6. Okay, so I get what is center and radius. Right now I have to locate the lowest point. Now how we will do that? How we will understand that what is the lowest point? Actually the lowest point is definitely below the center only. Now here the x coordinate of the center is minus 3, so definitely minus 3 will be there, and as radius is 6, so I will subtract 6 from this y value, right? So I will select lowest point. Lowest point is your minus 3 comma 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So this is my lowest point. Okay, now I move further. Find the set of values of the constant k for which the line with equation y is equals to kx minus 5 intersect the circle at two distinct points. Find the set of values of constant k. Constant k for which the line with equation y is equals to kx minus 5 intersect the circle at two distinct points. So this line and the circle, they must satisfy each other. So what I can say that equation of circle here, the equation of circle which we get over here is what? X plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to. I will write that x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equals to 6 square. This is our circle. Now y is equals to kx minus 5 intersects circle at a point. Intersects circle at 2 points. So that means this y equal to kx minus 5, it will satisfy the equation of circle. Okay, so in equation of circle, in place of y, I will substitute kx minus 5. So let us do that. So I will say that therefore here x plus 3 the whole square plus now y will replace by kx minus 5 and then I have minus 1 this whole square equals to 6 square is 36. So is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus k square x square. Now minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6, so it is minus 12 times kx plus 36 equal to 36. So this will give me a quadratic equation in terms of I need the value of k. So I will get the quadratic equation in terms of k only. And one more thing I will keep in mind that minus 3 comma minus 5 is a point. So actually after this what we should do? Okay, here if I simplify this, here it is x square plus k square x square, then we have plus 6x minus 12x, so it is minus 6x, and this 36 we can cancel, and then I will say that this is plus 9 x square plus k square x square minus 6x plus 9, and this will be equal to what? This will be equal. So here I have k square plus 1 times x square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. Now as the equation, okay, line intersect the circle at 2 points. Okay. This shows that I have two solutions. As I have two solutions, b square minus 4ac is going to be greater than 0. Here your discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, must be greater than 0. So I will simplify this part. b is what? Minus 6. So minus 6 square is 36 minus 4. A part is k square plus 1 and c part is 9. So this should be greater than what? 0. I will simplify this. It is 36 minus 36k square minus 36 should be greater than 0. So that gives me minus 3k square should be greater than 0. Oh. If I am making some mistake, quite possible. Just check what mistake we are doing. quadratic equation must be the quadratic equations of what we are getting. Yes, I identify my mistake. That here, this 6x and this minus 12kx, I simply say that this is minus. No, I cannot do that. I just not paid attention to this k. So therefore, this part I have to do it again. Just do it again. We all do it together. Okay. So here, x square plus k square x square. Then here I have plus 6x, then minus 12kx, then plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay. So if I take that x square common, here I have 1 plus k square, plus here it is 6 minus 12k times x, plus this is 9 is equals to 0. This is my equation of circle. Now as the line is intersecting at 2 points, we will say that this b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0. So therefore b square means here 6 we can take common, 6 1 minus 2k this whole square b square minus 4 times a is 1 plus k square and c is what 9. This should be good. So here it is 36 and this bracket we will solve 1 minus 4k plus 4k square minus this is 36 1 plus k square. Okay, so this 36 we can take common and cancel. So finally I can say that therefore 1 minus 4k plus 4k square minus 1 minus k square. This should be greater than 0. So this plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel. And 4k square minus k square will give me 4k square minus k square. 4k square minus k square, this will give me 3k square. So I have 3k square minus 4k. So I will take k common. This 3k minus 4 greater than 0. So the product of these two is greater than 0. Okay. Now product of these two term is greater than 0. So you can find the critical point over here. Now critical point is what? 0 and 4 by 3. So 0 is here. 4 by 3 is separated. Okay. You want positive answer, so you can select this area. Okay. And this area. Here and here you will get positive result, and here you will get negative. As you don't require negative result, okay, so your answer will be either greater than 4 by 3 or it is less than 0. So therefore you will say that k is less than 0 or k is greater than 4 by 3. Okay, so this is your answer. So this is a good question for 6 minutes. This is for 6 minutes. I should have provided some more space to solve this particular problem. I have provided. The next question, question number 5. The equation of curve is y is equals to 4x square minus kx plus half k square in the equation of line where k and a are constant. Just a moment, I have a call. Okay. The equation of the curve is y is equals to 4x square minus kx plus half k square. And the equation of a line is y is equals to x minus a, where k and a are constant. Okay. Given that the curve and the line intersect at a point with x coordinate 0 and 3 by 4, find the values of k and. Okay. So now it is given that this curve where I don't know what is k, and this line where I don't know what is a. I know that when they are intersecting, the curve and line intersect at the points. Points means that this line is intersecting curve at 2 points. Okay, and I know the x coordinate of the point. So 2 points are given. That means 2 equations I can frame, and by solving these 2 equations, I can get the values, right? So we can say that for a point with x coordinate 0, okay, the point represented by this and the point represented by this are going to be same. Right. So y is given means y coordinate is given. Simply what we say that, okay, we can say that for x is equals to 0, for x is equals to 0, because line and they are intersecting with x coordinate 0, so their y coordinate is also going to be same. So for x is equals to 0, here it is 4 times 0 square minus k times 0 plus half k square will be equal to x is 0 minus a. Okay. So this will give you k square divided by 2, half k square is equals to minus 2a. So this is one equation we get. Okay. Now the second equation. Second equation, it is given 3 by 4. So for x is equals to 3 by 4 also. For x equal to 3 by 4. Now for x equal to 3 by 4, I will substitute 3 by 4. So it is 4 times x is 3 by 4. So x 4 times 3 by 4 is square minus k times 3 by 4 plus half k square will be equal to x is 3 by 4 minus a. Okay. So therefore, we will solve this. It is 4 times 9 divided by 16. So it is 16 divided by 4 minus this is 3k divided by 4. And this is plus half k square will be equal to 3 by 4 minus a. Okay, now I can do one thing. This a I can replace by, or I will say that minus a I will replace by half k square. So it will become plus half k square. Isn't it? Right? So this part we can cancel from both the sides. And this will give me, I will solve this. This negative part I will move to the right. So it is 16 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 3k by 4. Okay. So this gives me the value of 3k. The value of 3k is 16 minus 3 is what? 13. So the k is 13 divided by 3. Okay. The value of k we get 13 divided by 3. Check once again. It may be possible that we have made mistake somewhere. Always it is better to cross check. So what we said that x is equals to 3 by 4. 4 times 3 by 4 square minus k times 3 by 4 plus half k square is equals to 3 by 4 minus 8. Okay. Then this half k square minus a and this half, they are equal. From this, from here we get this half k square is minus a. So we cancel them. Okay, so we cancel. After cancelling, here we get, okay, here it is not 16 by 4, but it is 9 by 4. It is 9 by 4. Okay. This is something wrong. Let us redo it. This is 9 by 4. Okay. So 9 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 3k by 4. So this 4 will cancel from both the sides. And I will get 3k is equals to 9 minus 3 is 6. So this gives me the value of k as 2. Now I get the value of k. I have minus a is half k square. So I will say that minus a is what? Half k. K is what? 2 square. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. Means 2 square is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, it is not like this, and this will cancel. And therefore the value of a is minus 2. So the value of k is 2 and the value of a is minus 2. These are the results. Okay. Fine. Let us move to the next part of the question. This is part A. We find the value of k and value of a. Now the second part is given instead a as minus 7 by 2. Find the value of k for which the line is tangent to the curve. Now this time it is given line is tangent to the curve. Now tangent means it is now just a going to touch the circle at one point. Okay, so at what point it is touching, that's what we have to. So now here we equate. How we will do that? A value is given. So for only one unknown is given, and for whatever point, okay, your left and right side are going to be equal. So our left side. So here the equation, if we see, the equation is 4x square minus kx plus half k square. That is going to be equal to x minus the value of a, whatever is given. Okay. So as this tangent, we will say that four times x square. What we will say that? We will say that 4 times x square minus kx plus half time k square will be equal to, this will be equal to x minus a, that means plus 7 by 2. So therefore I have 4x square minus kx, and this x will come on this side, it is minus x, plus half k square minus 7 by 2 is equals to 0. As the line is tangent, we have b square minus 4ac 0, right? B square minus 4ac is 0. So as line is tangent, we have only one solution, and we can get that by equating b square minus 4ac 0, that is b square with 4ac. So therefore now here the value of b is what? It's minus k minus 1. So minus k minus 1 the whole square is equals to 4 times a is 4 and c is, it is 1 by 2 a square minus 7 by 2. Okay, so therefore here we will get k square minus k minus 1 the whole square is same as k plus 1 the whole square. So k square plus 2k plus 1 is equals to, now here on this side it is 8, this 2 I will take common, so it will be 4 to the 8, 8 times k square minus 56. So I bring everything on one side, therefore I will get equation as 7 times k square minus 2 times k minus 57 is equals to 0. So let us use our calculator and solve this quadratic equation. So this is the quadratic equation ax square. So 7 minus 2 is 57. We will get 3 or minus 19. So the value of k is 3. Therefore we will get k is 3 or minus 19. Okay. So here when the line is intersecting, that time your b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0. If the line is tangent, then in that case for quadratic equation b square minus 4ac will be 0. And when line does not intersect the circle, that means it is outside the circle, then in that case your b square minus 4ac will be less than 0. Okay. So quadratic equation concept when we have two solutions, when we have one solution, when we have no solution. These three conditions are there. Okay. So I think we'll stop here, and from question number 6 onwards, we'll see in our next class. Okay. So total, how many questions are there? Paper, total 11 questions are there. So 50% we have done. Rest 50% we will do after. So till then, take care. Bye bye.